Hello guys, let me show you how to make this beautiful Barbie box and Barbie decorations, and stay into the end so you can see the different ideas that you can do and create with this box. With that said, let's get started into this video. The first thing I did was grab 9 foam board, and I'm going to go ahead and attach them together. Just grab your tape, make sure to attach them good, and just put the tape all around it until you're done attaching the whole thing. Done with that, go ahead, and I forgot to record it to show you how to measure, so just go ahead and measure 10 inches like that, and then you're just gonna go ahead and take your pencil or in a ruler, whatever you have, and then just trace it out. Once you're done with that, just gonna go ahead and grab your knife, and then you're gonna go ahead and start cutting it all the way the long way, because it was too big and I want to make it smaller, so that's why I'm taking it a little bit part down. Now here you could cut it to however size you would like it to be. If you would like it to be more smaller, so then you cut it more or less, that's up to you. Once you do that, go ahead and grab your measuring tape, and you're just going to go ahead and measure 6 inches of length, and you're going to do that all the way around because that's how big we want to do the whole box, 6 inches. So then after I'm done marking it down, you're just gonna go ahead and grab whatever you have. I'm gonna grab another foam board, and I'm going to make the line where I'm gonna cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start tracing it just like that. And I'm gonna be doing this all the way around, from each side until all the way up and down into all 4 sides until I'm done tracing everything out. Once I'm done tracing everything out, I'm going to go ahead and draw the top part of the box on here. I didn't have time to make it out. I wanted to make it this design and then put Barbie in the top bottom part, but I couldn't do it because I have too many events at the same time, so I end up taking it out. But this is another way so it can look cute. I'm showing you the way that you could do it. Then you draw it, and then after you draw it, you're just gonna go ahead and cut it out. And then here is that you're gonna place your Barbie name on the top. Then after that, after I did that, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my whole box out. So I'm just gonna go ahead the way that I did the line, 6 inches all along the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting it out until I'm done cutting the whole thing. Once I'm done cutting the whole thing, the whole box, I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything and take it out just like that. Then once I'm done with that, go ahead and grab your hot glue and start attaching it into pieces. All the pieces that you put the tape, you're just gonna go ahead and take the tape out just like that and attach it with hot glue so it could be in place and it could be good, hold good. Then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna make sure to be steady. I want it to be steady, so I took another foam board and I measured to the same size as the base, and I'm just gonna head cut it, and I'm gonna use my hot glue and attach it all the way around so it could be strong and it won't fall apart. Then I went ahead and grabbed my spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint it all around it. I could have used the paper, but I didn't want to. I think the spray, it would work out perfectly. So then after I'm done spray painting the paints, I'm going to measure the side of the box. For the size of the box, I did it 8 inches of the width, and then I put 3 of them together, 3 foam boards together, and then just gonna go ahead and measure it to the same size as the box. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your boxes and attach all of them together just like that. So you're gonna make 2 of these, because this is the part where you have to put 2 of them on each side of the box, the long ways. Now you need to make also the small size of the box. So I went ahead and measured the same size as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut. You put it the same length, you cut it, then you're gonna go ahead and attach them together. Then the extra pieces that you have, just attach it to the foam board like that so it can make it stronger. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your hot glue and put it all the way in the edges. Make sure to put enough so it can hold right in place. And then just go ahead and attach it. Hold the plate in place a little bit so it can attach good and it will not fall apart. Just like that. So we're going to continue attaching the foam board to all sizes of the boxes. So we're gonna go around it until we're done attaching the whole box. You're only going to attach only the 3 sides. You're not gonna do the top because we're gonna use the top, the open space, to attach the light to it. Then go ahead and grab 9 foam board again and attach them together the same way we did it, and then we're going to cut the 10 inches away. So we're going to do the same size as the other box because this is what we're going to put in behind. Just go ahead and attach a few the extra foam board that you have left over from the other part, attach it to the back, and this is what's going to hold it in place. So make sure that you attach it where you see the line and where you put the tape, most of it, so it can hold in place. So it should look just like this all around it. Then I went ahead and put the box up in the back of the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and line them up together like that to make sure they fit and everything looks good. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot glue and start attaching, and make sure here to put enough glue and make sure to hold it a little bit in place like that until it attaches just like that. So you're going to continue doing this until you attach the whole box all together. So then I'm going to go ahead to attach the light and attach it to the middle of each light like that. And I'm going to just go ahead and put a tape in, attach it to the back of my foam board. Then for the backdrop, I took 3 wrapping paper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to my wall. For the sign that I hang in the middle, I will put the link down below how you could get it done. And then I just went ahead and cut out the Barbie and place it in the middle. And then I cut out a few Barbie and place it all around it for this setup. And this is how beautiful everything turns out, guys. It came out super cute. Just add up the light in the back. You can add the Barbie sign that I told you about. And this is the main table, and this is the backdrop. And you see the signs that I created. I just put the Barbie on top, and then I print out a few Barbie and make it like a little stand. And it came out super cute, you guys. I hope you guys like it and you guys can do something beautiful for your kids or your niece or whoever you're doing it for. Don't forget to, when you create the boxes, that you could write Barbie on top. I just didn't have time, but I think it will look super cute if you guys do it. And you guys remember the makeup table that I did? I will put the link down below so you can check it out also for that. And this is how everything turns out. I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget to hit the like button, and let's not forget to subscribe if you like what you see, because I will be posting every week and you don't want to miss any of my DIY. And in general, this is how like everything turned out and how everything in the room looks. I loved it. My kids loved it. And it looks super cute. And remember those favor bags that I did last week? This one right here, the one in the middle, and the pinata, I will post the link for that. If not, you could just check it out on my videos and see how everything turns out. And these are a few ideas that you can do at home with your Barbie boxes. This was the hit of the party, so I really recommend for you guys to do it. We had so much fun doing different videos, pictures, like all the kids wanted to take pictures in the box. You could do boomerang for your Instagram account and anything you could think of it. So please, let's go do a Barbie themed birthday party so you can have some fun and the kids can have some fun as well. Once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly.